I did mispronounce charcuterie a whole bunch of times. Hi you guys, it's Miss T and I am back with another video. I am getting ready to go out today and get supplies for a character board that I am going to be making tomorrow evening with my line sisters, you guys. We are celebrating 20 years as Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority members, you guys. As you guys know, we share this particular designation with a lot of popular women. Just to show you a few. But anyway, before I go out today, I wanted to show you all the UGG boots that I got. I did say in a video I did a couple of weeks ago about the Tom's Paxton shoes that I was looking for boots. So I finally found a pair that I'm really excited about. And I was telling you that the Uggs would be here. Well, you guys, they're here. And this is what they look like. All right, so this is not the traditional UGG boot. I know it's not, but y'all, I was looking for something that wasn't necessarily the traditional UGG boot. I wanted something that was a little bit rustic, something that had a really good bottom on it, and these zip, so I can put my my leggings down in there really easy. So they're really cute. So they're everything that I had hoped that they would be. Okay. But anyway, the video is not about the boot, y'all. The video is not about the boot. The video is about the character board. So yeah, I have to go out and I have to get some ingredients because I don't have everything at home. I am going to be using a lot of ingredients that I do have right here, but you know, I just don't have everything to make it as cute as I want to make it. Only person that's going to be eating this character board is me because we're doing it virtually, and so all of my line sisters will be making their own individual character boards, and then we're going to drink wine and we're just going to hang out during this time. So I'm really looking forward to it. The most exciting part for me is, of course, is this character board because yeah, it's characteristic of my characters. So you guys, come on, let's go shopping. Alright you guys, so I have made it to Publix. I'm about to run in here now and get the stuff that I need for the character board. Alright you guys, so I am looking for like some cured meat. Alright, so I have some cheese at home, so I'm probably not going to get any cheese, but I am looking for some cured meat. I think it's $8.99. That would be great because it has several different types of meat in it. But I'm not going to get that one just because it is expensive. And the only person that's going to be eating off of this board, like I said before, is me. I have decided on this Genoa salami right here because it is on sale for $3.99. It is within my price range. So yeah, that's what we'll get. I think I'm going to get some of these Chestnut mini cookies because they're 10 for $10, which means I can get one pack for $1. I like the butter cookie, so I'm going to pick up a pack of those and let that be my something sweet inside of my character board. So I'm just going to pick up a fruit bowl because I know I'm going to get this one right here that I can save some of the fruit and just eat it whenever. I have a taste for some fruit today, so I'm probably going to eat some of this before we ever even have the event on tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this fruit bowl up. I had picked up some some blackberries and some strawberries already, but I think I'm going to put the strawberries back because there are strawberries in there and I just like raspberries, so I'm going to get those for the house. So for my vegetable, I am going to pick up some of these baby bell peppers right here, or either some of these mini sweet peppers. I think they're all the same price. There's like $3.49 for those and $3.49 for these. These actually look, I don't know how my daughter likes those. I think we're both more accustomed to this style of pepper. However, these are huge. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this pack. It's $3.49 and they're smaller, and that'll keep me from having to cut them up. I can just arrange them on the tray. So yeah, I'm gonna get these. Next, I'm gonna get some of these cherry tomatoes over here. They have a lot, y'all, but I'm gonna just sneak over here and just grab me some. All right, so I got the Wild Wonder tomatoes right there. Yeah, a gourmet medley, and those are the ones I chose, so those are the ones we're gonna have on the board. So I also grabbed a cucumber. It's not the best looking one, but it'll do, so we're gonna have that as well. All right, y'all, so I am putting the peppers back because I just decided that, you know, they look so much like the tomatoes, so I already have something red on there. The cucumbers to give it that something green, and yeah, that's how it's going right now. All right, you guys, so I am going to get smoked salmon. I'm going to pick up this one right here. I have to have my smoked salmon because, y'all, that's my favorite thing going right now. Well, I've always loved smoked salmon. I'm not going to get that pack because it has way too much of the green stuff on the top. Let's get this pack right here. It has a little less. All right, so yeah, that's the one we're going to get. All right, you guys, so I am getting ready to leave out of Publix. Okay, I have had a tough time because my daughter wanted a sandwich. Then she called me while I was in here, so I have gotten a sandwich now. But when I tell you that it was a mess getting this sandwich, I am so over it, okay? I'm about to check out and get out of this store, okay? All right, it is the day of the event, and I have everything laid out here. I am about to pre-prepare the ingredients that I'm going to be using because I don't want to have to be all over the house looking for the stuff that I want to include in my character board when we actually get started. So you guys, I found a Lindor milk chocolate truffle bar. I'm going to be putting some of this on my tray. You know, women always keep chocolate around, okay? I found some organic olives in the pantry. This is a Greek olive mix. That's from Thrive Market. I used to have a subscription to Thrive Market, but I don't anymore. I just shop locally. I found that I can get most of the stuff that Thrive has, like at Sprouts or Whole Foods. I just kind of like Thrive Market because I like their brand of stuff. But yeah, I decided it wasn't worth me paying an annual membership just to get the branded stuff. So yeah, I'm back shopping at my local stores. I have the mini chestnut butter cookies that you saw earlier. I also have the cucumber, you saw that. But you guys, I have some spinach dip. This spinach dip was already in the refrigerator. You guys, I'm looking at it because I need to be checking the expiration date. I just bought this like a week ago. Okay, it's good. It's good. So we're going to go ahead and go on with the spinach dip. The spinach dip came from Aldi's. Then I have our Boar's Head traditional hummus. My daughter loves hummus, so it's typically always hummus in the house. This is a brand new, I think it's brand new. I was saying I think it's brand new because I didn't know if my daughter had been in it yet. Doesn't look like she's been in it, so it is still brand new. Of course, I have my blackberries, my tomatoes. I picked up a Sumo orange in my Kroger pickup order, okay? So I'm going to put this on there. I think that it's going to make a really pretty display. Of course, I have sharp cheddar cheese here at the house. I keep these little Kraft sharp cheddar cheeses around because late at night, like at midnight, I'm always looking for a snack, but I don't need to eat too much. So I'll come in here and I'll grab like 2 or 3 pieces of this sharp cheddar and have that. That really helps to, like, you know, kill that appetite at that time of night. All right, I have the meats that were selected. This is the salami. This is the salmon. I also have the fruit bowl. Off of the fruit bowl, you guys, I'm going to be getting some of the grapes. We did get into it. I told y'all we was going to get into it. So we did get into that. Yes. And then I have some Ritz crackers. Then I have some almonds that I'm going to be putting on there. That came from the pantry. I also have some Simply Naked pita chips. It's a brand new bag, y'all. And I also have some cashews. This is all pantry items right here. Now I am going to pair my character board tonight with this bottle of Apothic Red right here, you guys. It's a winemaker's blend, 2018 vintage. The style is rich and smooth, and it comes from California, you guys. It has notes of dark fruit. Actually, it's supposed to be dark cherries, and it has mocha and vanilla. So I'm hoping that it's pretty good. I'm a little concerned about the dark cherries because that means it's probably going to be really sweet, but yeah, you know. We're certainly going to find out in just a little bit just how sweet it really is, okay? So I'm going to start cutting up everything now and washing everything and just getting everything really neat, okay?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
and it's on the tray. I don't have a flat cut board to use, so I'm just gonna use this tray, y'all. I wanted to go ahead and open the wine because when we're in the middle of this event, I don't want to have to be opening wine in the middle of the event. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get into it, y'all. They don't want me in this wine. They don't want me to get into it. But I will, okay? I will get into it. All right, so let's pop the top. It didn't pop. I wanted it to pop so it could be dramatic, but there it goes. So we did finally get that. Anyway, so let's pour just a tad bit into the glass. Here. Cheers. Anyway, you guys, I had a wonderful time reconnecting with my sorors. Some of my sorors I haven't talked to in 20 years. So we had a fabulous time. The charcuterie board was a hit. You guys, some of my sorors really showed out. Y'all, we had some really nice charcuterie boards on there tonight. So I did mispronounce charcuterie a whole bunch of times in this video. If you can tell me, or be the first one to tell me how many times I mispronounced charcuterie in this video, I will send you a $10 Starbucks gift card. That'll let me know that you watched this thing all the way through and that you paid attention, you guys. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please leave me a comment. I love to know what you think about my whole experience. Also, if you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all, and I will see you next time.